management or meeting the needs of students can be one of the crucial parts of teaching learning process. However, it is the key component in any educational setting. If students are safe in a learning environment, then teaching learning process can take place.
Creating a positive and supportive classroom where students can learn and grow. This includes respect, supporting diversity, and helping students to develop important skills like critical thinking and communication. Ultimately, the goal is to prepare students for success in school and in life and to become well-disciplined learners.
Active participation, collaboration, clarity of instruction, organization, safety and comfort, and classroom management provide thorough instructions for evaluating and improving the quality of classroom learning environments. By focusing on these areas, we can create classrooms that truly support and enhance student learning.
To maintain discipline and order in the classroom, it is important to establish clear rules and procedures that emphasize respect and responsibility. Rules should address areas such as attendance, participation, and behavior expectations, including how to handle tardiness and one-on-one conversations. Additionally, procedures should encompass daily routines such as prayers and cleaning tasks to foster good discipline and encourage student independence.
Rewards such as verbal praise, stickers, additional privileges, and public recognition can be used to acknowledge students' achievements. Consequences for negative behavior may include warnings, loss of privileges, or contacting parents based on the severity of the behavior. It's essential to be fair, consistent, and transparent about expectations to effectively promote positive behavior and address issues.